Hey everyone, I'm Amanda Bradley, a Norwex independent sales consultant, and we are learning all about bookings and different strategies and ways to help you book parties and fill up your calendar. So, there are many strategies that so many people use. I've been with Norwex for 3 years, a little over 3 years now, and I've just learned so many different ways. But I just wanted to share one way that I use in my parties to book and keep my calendar full, and that is to offer what people want on their wish list, what they have on their wish list, to offer the things that they want as incentives for them to book a party. Now, there are a couple of ways you can do this. You don't have to do it the same each time. I've tried it a few different ways, but one way is just to maybe post a questionnaire in the party asking, towards maybe the end once they've kind of seen some of the products and maybe even after you've already done your demo, but just trying to maybe post something to figure out what they want, what's on their wish list. And an incentive could be something like post your top 10 favorite items or top 5, or what are your 2 most favorite wanted things, or 3, just however you want to do it. And when the people respond and post what they want, you can also go in and then make a post. Well, guess what? And if it's something feasible, maybe something you have on hand, maybe you have shopping spree money and it's something you would like to offer, but you can always say, well, guess what? I am going to be offering this as a booking gift if you book a party with me. Now, there are times that it's been something really big, and I may say, once you book a party, after you've had your party must be a qualifying party, like maybe a $550 party with at least 1 or 2 bookings, and then I will send you whatever it is. If it's something really big, you don't have to do that. You can just give it to them right away as soon as they book. Here's your product. There are different ways you can go about it, but people really want stuff off their wish list. And I found that if you offer that as an incentive or even a discount off of something that is on their wish list, people are likely to book with you because they get excited, especially if it's something they're really wanting. They get excited about that. So that is one strategy I use. You can also put a Google form for the guests to fill out when they first join the party or right before they join the party. They can fill out what their top favorites are. Maybe they can have a look at the catalog online beforehand. Maybe if you post it during the party, maybe it's something they've seen in your party. But you can post a Google form for them to fill out and listing, what are your top favorite products. Maybe even asking them what are some challenges you have with cleaning that Norwex may be able to help you with, or that I can help you with, and then maybe give them some ideas and find out, hey, they may want to try something new that you have, and that could be an awesome incentive to, hey, well, guess what? You want to try that bathroom cleaner? I will send you one for free if you host your own party, and you will also be able to earn lots of other products for free. So that's just a strategy that I use. People love getting things off their wish list, especially when it's free or even at a discount. And then the cool thing is too, when you are offering that to a person in the party, when they book with you, or even if they don't book with you, but you're just putting it out there, others are going to see that and be like, oh, I have a wish list. I wonder if she'll do that for me. Or maybe what you're offering is something multiple people want. Maybe it's something on the list that you can order, maybe like body cloth. I usually give those away already as incentives, but they come, in a 3-pack. So maybe it's something that comes in multiples that you could spread the love. Maybe multiple people want them. You could offer them, hey, would you be interested in this? How could this help you? And well, hey, I'm going to give you this for booking a party with me. So that's one strategy that I use out of the great many out there. Hopefully that's a tool that you can put in your belt and it will help you get your calendars full. So yeah, so good luck with your future bookings, and I will see you all soon. Bye.